When you think of famous brands that you buy, use all the time, and see all around you everywhere, ask yourself, what made them famous? The look, the feel, the taste? No, the voice. That's right, the voice. Whose voice, you ask? The one on the commercials? The door-to-door salesman? The one at the dealer, the store? No, your voice. Everybody's voice. For centuries, the most intelligent, savvy marketers have known. Nothing compares with the voice. That's why a catchy name, a catchy phrase, a catchy tune, a memorable image are so important. Why? Not because they're easy to remember, they're easy to repeat, they're easy to talk about. Who repeats them, talks about them? You. How much is your voice worth? Amazon 2.42 trillion, Google 2.26 trillion, Apple 3.63 trillion, Disney 198.1 Nike, 108.29 Tesla, 1.12 trillion McDonald's, 22.17 Coca-Cola, 299.93 Taylor Swift, 1.6 billion. Some of them took on a life of their own. Aspirin is now a category. Can you think of other brands that became categories? What does this have to do with your voice? Now you can change your life with your voice. The Revolution Crowd Marketing. Change your life with crowd marketing, the voice of revolution. Click the button.